Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Suchok therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Suchok Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Suchok therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Suchok, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and chog means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. We are learning today how to boost up the immune system with the help of Suchok therapy, color therapy and seed therapy. The moment we increase our immunity system, our whole human system is ready to face any type of ailments. Now, with the help of color therapy and seed therapy, and yes, you have to learn a bit about acupressure. As we all know, our palm is similar to the human system. So this is our palm. The body is having 5 protruding parts and one is the trunk area. This is the front part of the body and this is the back part of the body. The most important part of the body is the head area. This is the head area, the face and the neck. Now these are the hands and these are the legs. This is the trunk part of the human system. Just below the neck area in the main correspondence of Suchok, we have the thymus, which is very much responsible to take care of the immunity system of the body. This portion is to be taken care of. So with the help of color therapy, we slowly make a small round circle, identifying that this is the thymus, one of the most important endocrine glands in the human system. With the help of the color therapy, the body is getting the initiative to boost up itself. Now, with the help of seed therapy, we can take any type of vitamin C, lemon or orange, or any citrus fruit seeds. Or we can take the moong dal seeds, which is the whole moong, and we take the fresh lemon seed is taken here and applied on the correspondence of the thymus with the help of the surgical tape. Kindly use paper surgical tape so that it helps in breathing as well. And with this, we can paste it together in a cross manner. So this is the way we are placing the seed on the correspondence of thymus on the palm, on the left palm. Okay. Now keep the seed for almost 6 to 7 hours. This application is to be done at the night. Why at night? In night, a person is either sleeping or breathing. So when we are treating a patient or oneself, even at night, that is the third thing the body will do to heal itself with the help of color and seed therapy. Your immunity system will increase day by day with the help of this simple method of Suchok therapy. Suchok therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Suchok therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Suchok therapy. Number 2, please do not do Suchok when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Suchok therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Suchok, when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you are doing Suchok therapy. Smile thanks.